Okay, so I have fish in my, so I am gluing down the squares. So continuing to lay down the squares. I'm not going to put them where I know my picture is going to go. And then, as you see, that's just a branding strip from the same paper line. My photo mat for this particular picture of Patton is from a Project Life card that is from, I mixed together my Project Life or my Scraptastic Kit Project Life cards and my Hip Kit Project Life cards. So I can pretty much tell you which is which because Project Life or the Scraptastic Project Life cards, sorry, are double-sided while these Hip Kit Project Life cards are not. That polka dotted photo mat is a Hip Kit Project Life card. It's a 4x6. And then I'm going to use one that says happy, I believe, but I'm doing the bottom layouts first, or bottom layers first. I used some branding strips. Those vellum circles there in the top left of the picture are Maggie Holmes' open book. The what? Let me see if I see that on here. Oh, what fun is Hip Kit die cuts. Those books, so much fun, and happy, happy, happy tag, and the stamps which are at the bottom left are all from Pink Paisley Take Me Away ephemera. I'm using flares. And now I'm doing Nature and Anyone is from Dear Lizzie Fox Thickers, and the word show is American Crafts Maple Thickers. And then once I get the title down, that pretty much completes this layout. So I'll let you finish watching, and when I have more done, I will be back with those. And I thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. I thank each and every one of you for watching my videos. It makes it so worth it. Anyway, I'll be back with more. Bye.